Would you like to enroll more customers into your network marketing business, into your team? How would it feel for you and your team to all get 2 to 5 customers in your network marketing business? How would that make you feel? How would that change your business? In this video, I'm going to be sharing you some tips on how you can accomplish that, but also more importantly, I will share with you how you can get that on autopilot. So at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a free resource, so make sure you stay until the end. Hi, my name is Anna Strofnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can create lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here every single week I post a new video helping you and your team how to grow your network marketing business online and create a lifestyle that you love. The first thing you want to do if you want to get more customers for you and for your team members in your business is simply to make a decision that you are going to do it. Decision making is one of the most important things in everything that you do, but not many people know how to make these decisions. Because if you're just wishy-washy about it, oh, I wish, I could get more customers, but you don't actually do anything about it. You procrastinate, you're like thinking about it, but you're not really doing, or you're like thinking about and trying out so many different things instead of just focusing all of your action on one specific strategy. So make that decision that from now on, whatever was in the past, you are the top recruiter. You are getting 2 to 5 customers every single week, and you are showing your team how to do the same. The second thing I want you to think about is what makes you different than all the other network marketers in your company, all the other people in the industry. When a customer buys your product, what else can you give them that makes it different, that makes it special, that makes them special, which is the most important? What about if you're, for example, in weight loss, to give them a meal plan, to give them a shopping guide? Okay, what if you give them something like to de-stress, like a de-stress exercise? Any other ideas like foods to avoid for certain things, maybe beauty tips, makeup tutorial? What are some of the things that you can offer them that make you special and make them want to buy from you? I just recently created a fast lane attraction marketing system for my team, and that is a value that I have for a network marketer. For somebody joining my team for the first time, they get that by joining me for free, which is our onboarding system. So this is what makes my team special, is I teach them strategies that work online, that save them time, so they don't have to go out there in the wild chase strangers and their friends and family. Then the third thing, this is how you're going to be more authentic. When you are using your product, you want to take people that are watching you on your journey. So when it comes to posting about your products, about what they do, about the benefits, hopefully you're posting about benefits and not just holding bottles here and there, you are going to be talking about your personal journey. Maybe sharing with them update every single week. Oh, this is my before and after. Oh my gosh, you're going to be excited. In your stories, you can be recording yourself taking your product every single day, because they go away after 24 hours anyway. So think about your content. You've decided in the first step that you're going to be the customer getter, that you're gonna crush it in customers in your business. Now you want to create content all around that, creating value. So how you can do that? Different videos, live videos, short form videos like Reels, TikToks, posts, story posts. Be vulnerable in your posts. Share your before and afters. Share your journey. Share your stories. Document your day. That's what people want to see the most of, is like what happens behind the scenes. That's what your Instagram and Facebook stories are for. And here's how for that to happen on autopilot. Remember that I told you about like what else can you give them, like that free guide, free de-stress exercise or meal plan. How about you create a funnel where they actually give their information, give their email address, and in return you give them this. So in my attraction marketing bootcamp, I show you how to actually do that, how to automate your business. So wouldn't you want to have 2 to 5 customers per week coming to you on autopilot? I know how important that is for me, because when I go and take my summer vacation in Croatia, I don't want to be talking to prospects every single day one-on-one. I want to have systems that I create before, so that way my business can be automated. And yes, even though I was like hanging out on the beach, I was still getting customers and sales there too. So you can grab that, you can go, there's going to be a link in the description of this video, and also on my YouTube channel you can find this link to get to my bootcamp. It's on annastropnik.com/bootcamp. It's absolutely free, and it's something that I discovered a year ago that completely changed my business. And now I get to do sales on autopilot. When I'm sleeping, I wake up to like emails of leads and sales that are happening on autopilot. If you like this video, like it, and if you want to share it with someone, feel free to share this video as well. And my question for you is, what is your current customer acquiring strategy? I would love to know. Post me a comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.